Everyone dreams of owning a luxury car. You know the feeling. Silent, effortless speed, surrounded by soft leather and cool tech. But nobody, and I mean nobody, dreams of the four-figure repair bills that can turn that dream into a complete nightmare. The used luxury market, especially under $20,000, can feel like a total minefield. Seriously, it seems like every other car is a ticking time bomb of deferred maintenance and catastrophic failures just waiting to detonate your bank account. You see the listings, you see the prices, and you think, it can't be that bad. Trust me, it often is. But what if I told you there are a few bulletproof exceptions? Specific models with specific engines that the insiders and savvy buyers hunt for. These are the cars that give you that true premium experience without the infamous price tag for repairs. Today, we're cutting through the noise. These are the only 5 used luxury cars you should consider for under $20,000 that deliver a top-tier experience with the peace of mind you thought only a new economy car could provide. Let's get into it. The understated overachiever, car number 5. Coming in at number 5 is a car that often flies under the radar, but quietly outlasts its German rivals. The 2014 to 2016 Cadillac XTS. Now, before you click away, hear me out. For decades, Cadillac was the standard of American luxury, and the XTS was a return to form. It prioritizes a smooth, isolated ride and a massive interior over chasing lap times on a German racetrack. This isn't a sports sedan, it's a highway cruiser, a rolling testament to comfort. The reason it's on this list is what's under the hood. You're looking for the model with the 3.6-liter V6 engine. This is a tried-and-true GM power plant, and in the XTS, it makes a healthy 304 horsepower. It's not a twin-turbo monster, but it delivers confident, smooth acceleration that's more than enough to move this big sedan with authority. Reliability ratings for the XTS are consistently strong for a car in this class, especially for this dependable powertrain. Inside, the XTS is all about space. The back seat is enormous, with legroom for days, making it fantastic for passengers. Up front, you'll find Cadillac's CU infotainment system, which was very high-tech for its time. It's a genuinely luxurious cabin. So what should you watch for? The main complaints tend to center on the electronics, like that CUE system, which can be laggy. Make sure you test all the electronic features thoroughly on a test drive. But mechanically, the 3.6-liter V6 and its 6-speed automatic are a robust combination. For under $20,000, you can find a well-maintained, full-size American luxury sedan that truly delivers a quiet, comfortable, and reliable ride. The thinking person's German sedan, car number 4. Next up at number 4, we have the German option for people who value smart engineering over a flashy badge. The 2017 to 2019 Audi A4, specifically, we're talking about the B9 generation. This model was a huge leap forward for Audi in tech, refinement, and most importantly, reliability. For years, the fear with any used German car was death by 1,000 cuts from maintenance costs. But the B9 A4 has proven to be a surprisingly dependable machine. The sweet spot is the A4 with the 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and Quattro all-wheel drive. In the 2017 models, this setup gave you 252 horsepower, offering a fantastic blend of quick acceleration and great fuel efficiency. This isn't just a car that feels premium, it's genuinely quick on its feet and handles with a secure, balanced feel. But the real magic of the B9 A4 is the interior. When it was released, reviewers noted the cabin was shockingly quiet. Some said even quieter than Audi's flagship A8 sedan. The material quality is excellent, and this was the generation that introduced the revolutionary virtual cockpit, a fully digital gauge cluster that still looks modern today. Now, for the reality check. It's still a German luxury car, so maintenance will cost more than a Honda. A transmission service can be several $100s. Known weak spots include the water pump, and you might see some minor infotainment glitches. so a full service history is absolutely crucial. But many of these models can now be found for between $18,000 and $20,000. A massive 60 to 70% drop from their original price. For that money, you're getting a car with technology and refinement that is nearly impossible to beat. The forgotten benchmark, car number 3. Coming in at number 3 is a car that was the benchmark for luxury sedans for years, and one that depreciation has made an incredible bargain. The 2014 to 2016 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, known as the W212. For a long time, the E-Class defined what a luxury vehicle should be. But some generations were plagued with quality issues that tarnished its reputation. The W212 was Mercedes' answer. A massive course correction, focused on build quality and long-term reliability. Today, you can find a pristine 2014 E-Class, a car that cost over $50,000 new for well under our $20,000 budget. And reliability data backs this up, with owner surveys consistently praising the car's rock-solid build quality and dependability. A huge leap forward for the brand. The powertrain to look for is the E350 with the 3.5-liter V6 engine. This is a naturally aspirated engine, meaning no complex and expensive turbos to worry about as it ages. It's smooth, powerful, and known to be a workhorse. The ride is exactly what you'd expect from a Mercedes. Composed, solid, and incredibly comfortable on the highway. It just eats up miles. However, it's not perfect. A common issue is the premature wear of engine and transmission mounts, which causes extra vibration but is a relatively affordable fix. More importantly, electrical gremlins with features like parking sensors can pop up, so a thorough inspection is key. Still, the SH-AWD represents a rare opportunity to own a car that feels timeless and built to last, from the brand that defines luxury for the price of a budget hatchback. All right, we're about to get into our top 2 picks, and these are the real heavy hitters of reliable luxury. If you're getting value from this guide and want to avoid buying a financial money pit, do me a solid and hit that subscribe button. We put in the research every week to help you make smarter car buying decisions. Now, on to number 2. The V6-powered legend, car number 2. Our number 2 pick is a car that perfectly blends Japanese reliability with a genuinely sporty and luxurious feel. It's the 2016 to 2017 Acura TLX with the V6 engine. Acura is Honda's luxury brand, and that DNA of smart engineering is baked into every car they make. The TLX is often cited as one of the best choices for a premium experience without the maintenance headaches. The key here is getting the right version. You absolutely want the model with the 3.5-liter V6 engine, what Acura calls the J35. This engine is legendary in the Honda world for being incredibly smooth, responsive, and durable. It puts out 290 horsepower and gives the TLX an energetic character that the base 4-cylinder just can't match. Pairing this V6 with Acura's excellent super handling all-wheel drive, SH-AWD, transforms the car into a confident all-weather machine that is legitimately fun to drive. However, there is a very important asterisk with this car: the transmission. The V6 models came with a 9-speed automatic that was known for being jerky at low speeds and sometimes hesitant. Software updates helped, but its weird behavior is the car's single biggest complaint. It's generally reliable, it won't leave you stranded, but it's a known quirk. Beyond that, watch for some reported oil consumption issues and make sure any recalls, like one for a fuel pump, have been addressed. Despite these points, the TLX is a fantastic car. When you find a well-maintained 2016 or 2017 V6 model with SH-AWD, you're getting a car that offers 90% of the performance of its German rivals with a fraction of the potential repair costs. For around $17,000 to $20,000, it's an incredible value. The undisputed champion, car number 1. And now for the number 1 undisputed champion of used luxury cars under $20,000. If you ask any mechanic or car enthusiast for the smartest, most reliable luxury buy, they will almost always give you this name: the 2016 to 2018 Lexus ES 350. This car is the ultimate smart buy. It's the vehicular equivalent of a blue-chip stock. Not the most exciting, but an incredibly solid, dependable investment that will almost never let you down. Lexus is Toyota's luxury division, and the ES 350 is built on bulletproof reliability, exceptional comfort, and impeccable build quality. At its heart is Toyota's renowned 3.5-liter V6 engine, a power plant used across dozens of models for decades. It's known for being silky smooth and capable of running for hundreds of thousands of miles with just basic maintenance. The ES 350 delivers a ride that is whisper quiet and supremely comfortable, designed to isolate you from the world. This car was purpose-built for stress-free commuting and long, fatigue-free road trips. So, what's the catch? The ES 350 is not a sports sedan. Its handling is safe and predictable, but it's not going to excite you in the corners. It is unapologetically built for comfort. Also, while stone-cold reliable, a few owners have reported transmission shuddering or some engines consuming a bit of oil, so checking the service history is still critical. Finally, the infotainment system, controlled by a mouse-like joystick, can be frustrating to use while driving. Even with those minor points, the Lexus ES 350's reputation for longevity is legendary. It consistently ranks at the top for low ownership costs. You can find a beautiful 2016 or even a 2017 model for our $20,000 budget, giving you a car that feels premium in every way, yet has the dependability of a Camry. It is, without a doubt, the smartest and safest way to get into a luxury car for under $20,000. So there you have it. 5 genuinely premium cars that prove you don't have to gamble your life savings to drive something special. From the American comfort of the Cadillac XTS, the modern tech of the Audi A4, the timeless quality of the Mercedes E-Class, and the sporty reliability of the Acura TLX, to the undisputed dependability of the Lexus ES 350. There's a solid option here for almost anyone. These 5 cars have all taken a massive depreciation hit, meaning you're getting them for a fraction of their original price. If you choose carefully, you can own a vehicle that costs less to maintain than many new economy cars. But now I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 would you choose? Or is there another bulletproof luxury gem under $20,000 that I missed? Drop your pick in the comments below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.